In this tutorial, you will learn how to use paragraphs in HTML. HTML paragraphs are created using the P element. The tag name is P. The P tag at the beginning is the opening tag. The P tag with a / is the closing tag. The text between them is the paragraph content. Together, the opening tag, the content, and the closing tag form a paragraph element. We can create multiple paragraphs by using multiple P elements. The browser displays each paragraph on a new line. It also adds some space before and after each paragraph by default. Let us inspect the paragraphs in the DevTools. The orange space above and below each paragraph is the margin applied by the browser by default. Let us change the width of the browser window and see how the paragraph behaves. When a paragraph is wider than the available space, the browser automatically wraps the text onto the next line. Now let us see how browsers handle extra spaces and line breaks inside a paragraph. Let us add some extra spaces and a line break. Refresh the page in browser. Even though the source code contains several spaces and a line break, the browser normally displays them as a single space. The paragraph appears as one continuous block of text. If we need a line break inside a paragraph, we can use the BR element. The BR element inserts a line break. BR is a void element, meaning no content is there for it. Therefore, it does not need a closing tag. The text after the BR element appears on the next line. Now let us look at some inline elements that can be used inside a paragraph. The EM element is used to emphasize text. Let us surround the style word in the second paragraph with EM, start and end tags. Browsers usually display emphasized text in italics. More importantly, the EM element is not only for the looks but also adds semantic emphasis to the text. Now, let us see the strong. The strong element is used to mark text as strongly important. Browsers usually display strong text in bold. Now, let us put these inline text elements together in a paragraph. The B element can also make text bold. The I element can also make text italic. However, B and I mainly change the visual appearance, whereas EM and strong also describe the meaning of the text. This meaning is understood by browsers, accessibility tools, and search engines. The mark element highlights text. The small element displays text in a smaller size. The DE element represents deleted text. The INS element represents inserted text. These elements can be placed inside a paragraph because they are inline elements. Now let us see how to preserve spaces and line breaks exactly as they are written. For this, we use the PRE element. The PRE element preserves spaces and line breaks. The browser displays the text in the same format as it appears in the HTML source. This is useful when formatting matters, such as code examples or aligned text. Paragraphs can also be placed inside other HTML elements. For example, we can place a paragraph inside a section. Here, the section element contains a heading and a paragraph. The heading introduces a section. The paragraph provides the regular text for that section. That's a wrap for paragraphs in this series. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more HTML tutorials.